Today's trade of the day is AUDNZD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. I am risk free on this one. Stop losses at break even. I sold Aussie Kiwi and milking this move for as much pips as I can. The trade is already up 40 plus pips on this move, and this is a textbook supply and demand smart trader setup, the type of setup that the banks don't want you to see, because this is the setup that makes you the easy pips in the forex market. Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman. We're going to go to the 4-hour time frame to see exactly which level set up this move over here. And for those of you that have my free video training will understand exactly why I'm going to the 4-hour time frame. So here I'm looking at this level over here, the specific level that set up this trade, where we had a supply level where price pushed down with high volume over here. Now, as you know, whenever we trade supply and demand, we always want to trade it in line with forex volume so that we can identify high probability interest levels where the smart money stepped into the market, so that whenever price comes back to these levels, that we can trade by following the smart money and not trading like amateur dumb retail traders. So this was the supply level over here on the 4-hour time frame. Then what we simply do is we go to the 15-minute time frame so we can actually draw this level with perfection and specifically see exactly what price point the smart money stepped into the market over here. So we're on the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, as clear as day, we had here our high volume spike, where obviously this is the level we want to identify as smart traders as our potential supply level. So a level where price drop down with high volume is a level that we know whenever price comes back to this level, we want to be looking for selling opportunities, because we know that whenever price comes back up to test this level, there will be a high probability that the retail traders will be induced to be buying in the market, and we don't want to be trading like retail traders. We want to trade with the smart money, because we know that when retail traders trade, they highly likely trade opposite to the direction that the smart money trades. And for you to make pips in this market, you need to trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. So we have our supply level over there, and then we see here price came back to test our supply level. And not only did it come to test our supply level, it came all the way back up to test the supply level with perfection. And when I mean perfection, I mean with high volume, as you can see at the bottom there. Now, whenever price comes and tests a supply level or a demand level with high volume, this is a high probability setup. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean here. So if we look at the volume indicator at the bottom there, we can see we had normal low volume over there, and then as price came up to test this level, boom, we had a big high volume spike over there. So this was our indicator to show us that the smart money is stepping into the market. So whenever price comes and tests a supply level, and this is something that you can take note of, whenever price comes and tests a supply level with high volume, we know that there's a high probability that the price is highly likely to reverse at that level. So when this happened, this was our indicator and our confirmation to start looking for selling opportunities. And then all you had to do was hit the sell button and then skibbity pap. As you can see there, price reversed with perfection off of that level, selling from that zone. And all you had to do as a smart trader is ride this move until price comes down and tests our demand level, okay, which I'm not going to focus on specifically on this video. I just want to show you that whenever price comes up, tests the supply level with high volume, then you know you want to be looking to sell. And obviously the opposite, if price comes down to test a demand level with high volume, then you want to be looking for high probability buying opportunities so that you can trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. And this is important because
Aweh Millionaire, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.